Make a pizza for us, please.
Everything is good, right?
I'm gonna move this here.
Then I'm going to put some chicken to put on it in the oven.
All right, today we're gonna bring an educational game board for your toddlers. All right, so this is for babies. It could be from ages 2 and higher, or maybe 1. This is actually pretty good. Look at this. I just want you to see. This actually has a lot of buttons, moving parts. Very educational for them to learn weeks, colors, time, animals, calendars, and so forth. Plants. It has a lot of features in here. I'm just going to show you a couple of them. These are all Velcro in there. If you guys can see, a little chicken here, little apples. 1, 2. They're all numeric apples. Then you got your fruit and vegetables that you throw in your truck. This thing is great for taking on the road. Your kids get bored, you give them one of these, entertain them for many hours.
Let's see. Do you know your letters yet? Oh, that's a clock.
Now, look at this, has buttons. You could take out the belts here. Belts. Different belts here. Look at the next one. Look at the time. You could learn Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then what time is it today?
Let's see. What's today? Today is Sunday, and it's 11. And is it a.m.? And is it hot or cold? It's hot.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and a mellow P.